dear children, I hope you all are doing well. So children, today we are continuing with the same topic, comparisons. We have already done positive and comparative degree of comparisons. So just revise a little bit and then we will do superlative degree of comparison. Okay. So first of all, we need adjectives to do the comparisons as I have told you. Okay, we compare among people, things, animals, or places by using suitable degree of adjectives. Okay, like whenever we want to describe only one person, we use positive degree. Okay, like this orange is big, this girl is tall, mango is sweet, you know. So whenever we are just describing only one person, people, thing, only one place, or only one people, or only one thing, we will use positive degree of comparison. Next is comparative degree of comparison. As I have told you, whenever we want to compare two things, okay, whenever we want to compare two things, we use comparative degree of comparisons, and I have explained you the rules also, where to use er, where to add er, where to add ier, right, or where to add more, right. So we have discussed all the rules, right. Now next is third degree is superlative degree. Okay, so children, when we are describing only one person, we are using positive degree, right, and when we are describing two persons, we are using comparative degree. But when we want to compare three or more things, which degree we will use, right? The question is which degree we will use. We will use superlative degree. Okay, we will use superlative degree if we want to compare more than two person or things with one another. Okay, so generally there are some rules to change the adjective from comparative degree to superlative degree that we will discuss in next slide. So first you should know, if you want to compare more than two person or things, you have to use superlative degree. Okay, with that superlative degree, with that adjective, we will use the also. Okay, before that we will put the article and then we will put the adjective in superlative degree form. Okay, remember that. Wherever I have told you some clues in comparative degree also, whenever there is a word than, you have to use comparative degree, and in superlative degree, there is a clue, there is a tip. This is your tip of the day, that whenever it is the in the sentence before that blank, okay, so you have to use superlative degree of comparison, right. Like there are some examples over here. This is the most interesting book. Suppose you have many books and you find that this book is the interesting one. Okay, you like reading that book. So what you will say? This is the most interesting book, because you are comparing that book with all the books over there. Okay, you like that book the most, right? So whenever you are comparing among three or more things, you have to use compare superlative degree of adjective. So here your adjective is interesting, and what we have added to it, we have added, before interesting we have added most word. Okay, if it is comparative degree, then what we have to do, we have to add more to it, and there will be comparison between two books that time. Okay, like this book is more interesting than that book. Okay, suppose there are two books, so what we have to do, we have to use comparative degree of adjectives. So that time we should write more interesting. But here when you are comparing three or more things, you have to use superlative degree, and with the word interesting you have to add most before it. So there are rules where to use most, where to add a suffix to the word. There are some rules. Now the next example is Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Here also the is there, so you have to use superlative degree. There is the clue, है ना. If it is the before the blank, if it is the written over there, you have to use superlative degree. And now the adjective is high. What we have added to it? est. Okay, we have added est suffix to it. if we want to compare this mountain, Mount Everest mountain, with another mountains in the world, we are comparing Mount Everest with all the other mountains in the world, we are seeing that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So that is why we have to use superlative degree. Now comes the rules, how to change. So children, the simple, with most of the words we have to use est, like rich will become richest, long will become longest. In, in comparative degree we have to use er, but in superlative degree we have to add est to it. Next rule is drop y, add the iest. So as we have discussed in this comparative degree also, like take one example like easy. What we have to do, we have to drop y and we are adding ier to make it comparative, right? So easy will become easier. Now to make it superlative, what you have to do, you have to add iest to it, right? So it will become easiest. Simple thing, if there is a y in the end, what you have to do, drop y and add iest to make it superlative and ier to make it comparative. So this you have to remember. Now next thing is, if it is a CVC word, CVC means consonant vowel consonant, like this big, fat, hot. In fact, you can see F is consonant, A is vowel, and T is again consonant, right? So if there is a CVC word like fat, big, old, red, hot, mad, okay, these are CVC words. So what you have to do, you have to double the last consonant. Like in fat, you have to double the T, okay, and then you have to add EST. So the spelling will be FATTEST. In big again, you have to double G and then you have to write EST. It will become biggest, BIGGEST. Okay, so remember it. Now next is two or plus syllables at the most. Okay, if there is a big word, okay, like beautiful, dangerous, handsome, comfortable, so what you have to do, similarly in what you have done in comparative degree, you have added more to it, okay, to that big words. So here in superlative degree, what you have to do, you have to add most to it, okay. In comparative degree, what you have done, you have added more to it, but in superlative degree, it more will become most, okay. So here, the most beautiful, the most dangerous, the is there, the you have to add before superlative degree. So with these big words like beautiful, dangerous, serious, honest, important, what you have to add, you will add most to it, okay. Now next thing is with irregular forms like good, bad. Okay, with these irregular forms where we changed the whole word. Okay, like in comparative degree also you have changed the whole word, like good become better, bad become worse, right? So here also good will be changed into best and bad will change into worst. Good, better, best. If you are not comparing anything, you will write good. If you are comparing two things, you will write better. And if you are comparing more than three or more things, you will write best. Okay, similarly, bad was worst, right? So, some words we change with some words, what you have to do, you have to change the whole word. So, there are some rules which you have to memorize. Okay, then only you will be able to change the words. Okay, so these are some rules of superlative adjectives. Now let's see some examples like happy, happier, happiest. If this third child, here she is the happiest one and we are comparing this third child with the other two child, okay. So here we are comparing three actually. So what we have to use, we have used here superlative degree, and if you are just comparing two girls, here this one is happier, so here we have used comparative degree, and if you are talking about only one girl, you just have to write happy, okay. Here again we are comparing abacus, calculator and laptop. Abacus is useful if you are only talking about abacus. If you are talking about abacus and calculator, which one is more useful? This one, calculator, is more useful. So what we have added more to it. Then if you have laptop, okay, then which one is more useful? Which one is the most useful thing over here? You are again here you are comparing three things and you are telling that laptop is the most useful thing. So here I have added most to it. Okay, I have added most before this adjective useful, right? Now the third example, sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. Okay, sweet, if you are talking about this fruit, if you are comparing both these fruits, you have to write sweeter. And if you are comparing the cake with these fruits, if you are finding it the most sweetest one, so you will say the cake is the sweetest of all. Okay. Now next thing here, there are some mushrooms. Similarly, if you are telling about only this mushroom, you will write good. If you are talking about this one, if you are comparing both these mushrooms, you will tell that this mushroom is better than that one. And if you are talking about, if you are comparing the last mushroom with the first one or with the second one, that means you are comparing three mushrooms. So what you will say, that this mushroom is the best one. Okay. So similarly here, young, younger, the youngest, hot, hotter, the hottest. So you can see in the last one, I'm explaining you this. You can see that this one is hot. If you are just talking about this single thing, okay. If you are comparing both these things, you can say that the candle is hotter than this one. And if you are comparing sun with both the things, okay, then you are comparing three things. You can say the sun is the hottest of all. So I hope it is clear to you how to use superlative degree, where to use superlative degree, and what are the rules. Here, the picture of your book, this orange is big. If I am talking about only orange, okay, this orange is big. But if I am talking about orange and coconut, if I gave you one coconut also, so what you will say that, and I ask you which one is bigger. So what you will say, ma'am, coconut is bigger than the orange, because you are comparing two things and that's why you have used comparative degree. You have changed big to bigger. But if I gave you this basket of fruits, right, and I ask you which one is the biggest fruit, you will say, ma'am, watermelon is the biggest fruit in this basket. So here you have written biggest, that means you have used superlative degree. You have changed bigger to biggest, because here you are comparing watermelon with all the fruits in this present in this basket. Similarly, the other two examples, Ritu is a thin girl. When I am only talking about Ritu, when there are two girls, Pakhi and Ritu, who is the thinner one? I'll say Pakhi is the thinner one, right? Pakhi is thinner than Ritu, and Dan is there, you can see. Next is, there are three girls. Bhumika also came there. Now, who is the thinnest one? You will say, ma'am, Bhumika is the thinnest girl in the class. So, here I am comparing Bhumika with all the girls in the class. Okay. So, comparison is between more than three three girls. Okay, that is why I am using superlative degree over here. Next is, groundnuts are costly. Only I am talking about groundnuts, so costly. Cashew nuts are costlier than groundnuts. Okay, now I am talking about two nuts, cashew nuts and groundnuts. So which one is costlier? You know, cashew nuts are costlier than groundnut. Here you can see why costly. In this word costly, y is dropped and we have added ier to it. Okay. Next is, walnuts are the costliest dry fruit. Now I am talking about, I am comparing walnuts with all other nuts. Okay, so I am telling that walnuts are the costliest dry fruit. That is 1200 per kg. Okay, groundnuts were 100 kg, cashew nuts was groundnuts was 100 kg, rupees 100 per kg. Cashew nuts was rupees 800 per kg, and walnuts, what is the cost of walnuts? 1200 per kg. So which one is the costliest? Walnuts, right? सबसे महंगा क्या हुआ? Walnuts. So what I will say, walnuts are the costliest. Costliest is superlative degree of costly. Costliest dry fruit. So here I have added IEST after dropping Y. Okay. So exercise. This we have done in our last video also. So I'll just be explaining the last one. Your handwriting is the neatest in our class. I am comparing your handwriting with all others handwriting of the students present in the class. So what I'll say, that your handwriting is the neatest one. Okay, it neat. We have to change the neat to superlative degree. So what I have done, I have added est to it. So thank you everyone. Please go through the video again, and both the videos where I have explained positive and comparative degree in the first video, and then the superlative degree. Thank you.